everyone, Jeremy here, Flatware Creations. I just broke my blade in my bandsaw. If I can get it out of here. So I have this piece of wood here. Let me see if you guys can see that. It helps give me just enough room for the blade to go through. So when I'm cutting the silverware doesn't get pulled down through the hole that's normally there. There we go. So it broke right at the weld, it looks like. It was probably the weld. But this blade was old. I don't know how many cuts I've made with it. I know a lot. So I don't feel too bad that it broke. So what I'm going to do is replace it with the same blade. This is a 56 1/8 inch by ½ inch blade with 14 teeth per inch TPI, and it's bimetal, and it's a bandsaw blade made out of M42 steel. So I bought one just as an extra because this first one did so well. I knew it was going to be, eventually this would happen. Trying to open it, kill it myself. There we go. Let's get this off here. And I have to bring up my board here, otherwise we can't get the blade on. So it's been a long time since I had to do this. I think I just super glued this on here. Yeah, it's just a little super glue. So I did have to take off this guard whenever I opened it up. This guard sits up in here. Like that. Lights. Okay. So take the protector off of this blade. See which way our teeth are going. Alright, so we have our new blade. The teeth are facing the right direction. Make sure that's off. Trying to get everything to line up. Get the blade in its slot there. Bottom one, there's another wheel. So when this is running, we need to get this blade to go back over the full width in the wheel. So right now it's just kind of hanging over. So we're just going to adjust this. See if we can watch it go backwards. See there, it just kind of slid back a little bit farther. Put this back here. So that looks like about where it's supposed to be. I'm going to put my Allen wrench. There it is. And make sure we keep the guard on there. And I was using tape to keep this together, but that has failed, so now I'm using clamps. I'm just doing the edges. One of the things that I found online was to take and grind down the outside of your blade using a Dremel tool. Alright, so I already have a bit in here. As you watch this blade, let's see, where's the blade? So as you watch the blade go around, you can kind of see it wobbling. So, I think it's called truing the blade, so I'll get my glasses on here. I'm going to start this up, and I'm going to just put this right here and try and grind on that blade. back on there. Here's super glue. Where are you? Ouch. Found you. So let's see, this went on this way. Just put that there, let that sit for a few minutes, and what was I doing? Oh, I was making a feather. So I've got my feather here, and I should probably just put a couple lines on it. So that's setting this way. Put one there, put one there. Another one right there. That should be enough. All right, let's see how she cuts. I forgot what having a sharp blade feels like. There's no pressure at all. I'm excited about that. Super sharp. But I hope that helps.